For this project, I decided to use different sizes of copper along with different sizes of beads to let the user create different sounds. I wanted this experience to be a little less controlled, even though they are controlling when and when not the door up here closes and shuts. Though they are controlling that part, they are not necessarily controlling the sound that is being produced from the metal. So I used the potentiometer up here with this motor, and it just opens and closes. I can show you real quick. And as you can hear, it made different sounds. So I can show you again by putting different marbles. So, well, beads, not marbles, my bad. So I put the beads in here. I open this, and then it creates different sounds. And so that is the basis of my project. Thank you.